Hello, good morning, Dal sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Today I will be asking question on past perfect continuous tense. Most of the questions are related to that structure. And first question is likewise, what have you been doing before the phone rang?
I had been working before the phone rang.
Where had you been working for the past year?
I had been working in the UK for the past year.
What had you been doing there?
I had been working there.
Okay. Why had you been waiting for so long?
I had been working for so long because bus had arrived late.
When had you been studying for the exam?
I had been studying for the exam since last month.
Okay. How had you been feeling before she got sick?
I had I had been feeling happy before she got sick.
Who had you been talking to on the telephone?
I had I had been talking to Kamal on the phone.
How long had you been practicing before the concert?
I had been practiced for 2 hours before the concert.
What had you been cooking for dinner?
I had been cooking rice and noodles for dinner.
Where had you been traveling before you returned home?
I had been traveling to London Bridge before I returned home.
Why had she been crying when you called her?
She had been crying when you called her because she was sick.
When had you been renovating your house?
I had been renovating my house last month.
What had you been writing in your journal?
I had been writing my income and expense in my journal.
How had you been improving your skill?
I had been improving my skill by doing regular practice.
Why had you been taking so many photos?
I had been taking so many photos because I like that place.
Where had you been hiding the treasure?
I hadn't been hiding any treasure.
Who had you been waiting for at the airport?
I had been working for Kamal at the airport.
What had you been knitting for the baby?
I had been knitting cap for the baby.
Mhm. How long had you been working on that project?
I had been working on that project for 2 hours.
When had you been hiking in the mountains?
I had been hiking in Chandragiri mountains.
Why had you been saving money for the trip?
I had been saving money for the trip because I needed food and accommodation.
Okay, thank you very much. Today you have done much more better than previous time.
Yeah, you can share.